just realized, why am I wearing a welding hood, but you guys don't have to wear a welding hood watching this? Isn't that interesting that watching it without a hood from this perspective does not hurt your eyes, but it absolutely burns your eyes when you're there in person? Can somebody please explain that to me? The beam I'm working on is going to be supporting a column which will support something else, but it needed to be modified, as you'll see here. I put in a couple knife plates and relocated one hole and drilled 3 more holes. We're going to drill 3 more holes. We're actually moving this hole over 1/2 inch. Going to plug weld that. Going to get a knife plate right there and one on the other side. Stay tuned. 9.5 inches by 2 inches. On this corner, cut the corners off so it fits in the web. Look at this absolutely massive 3/4 inch drill bit, which seems a bit big for such a small beam. So now I've got to take 3/4 inch and do the same on the other. Now obviously a drill press or a mag drill would be faster and more efficient, but I can't afford one yet. So I'm stuck drilling these out by hand, starting out with the pilot hole, dipping the drill bit in oil every few seconds, and also plug welding the old hole that had to be relocated. Hey, thanks guys for watching.
Okay, let's go.